Shit. C'est Olga Brunstein of Herschel Sundation Lane 3, Melissa Verde of Club Athletic Monterrey 4, 5, we see Anna Stefania Gutmannsdottir. She's a combined events athlete, 6th last year in the rise of the European Junior Championships. In the 6th, you can see Alicia Albi of Italia Group, and 7th, Pilar Polisi of Ljubljana. Here they come, one goal straight. This Italia Group leading, although is coming close, as well as Melissa Verde from Club Athletic Monterrey. The champs starting about the same time together. Herschel was currently 5th. I'm already telling you, look at the photo and final runners of these teams. Anna Fall of Club Athletic Monterrey from France. They are in the league. Change first. Will it be Ulfsdottir to Islendina? Ulfsdottir, yes it is. Iceland in front of Italy and France in 3rd. It's Ljubljana in 4th and Herschel Museum in 5th. Islendina, Ulfsdottir Johnson, she's in front now. Sarah Coben and Elisabeth Sisti for Italia Group. And look at the athletes here standing now. For Iceland, we will see Anita Hilmarsdottir. She won the 400, won the 1500. Will she win the 4x400 as well? We will see Anna Jimou of France. Anita Hilmarsdottir, she's gone. As well as Serena Bonacino and Antonella Jimou. For Slovenia, it's Anita Horvat. Look at them go at the next stretch. Looks like Serena Bonacino is running into Anita Hilmarsdottir. First, Italia Club 2nd, Monterrey 3rd, Ljubljana 4th, and all is cheering now for Herschel Museum from Israel, Kristiana Vayusheva finishing for Herschel.